Dear student, now in this part of video, I will start the explanation from line number 46. So please pay attention. All pets in the house had names of their own. The goat too was given a name. It was named Tinkerbell after the name of a fairy in Peter Pan. A story for children. The story describes the adventure of lovely little children in the land of a fairy named Tinkerbell. So here in this line the narrator is saying all the pets in his house. He had a great variety of pet in his house and all the pets had their own names, and that is why the goat too was given a name, and that is the goat was given the goat was named Tinkerbell. The goat was named Tinkerbell, and the name Tinkerbell was given to her after the name of a fairy in the story, in the fairy tale Peter Pan. Peter Pan is a fairy tale for children, and in that Peter Pan is a character of Tinkerbell who is fairy, जो कि क्या है, fairy है. That is why the goat also given the name Tinkerbell. The story describes the Peter Pan. The story describes the adventures of the lovely little children in the land of a fairy named Tinkerbell. So ये story जो है वो describe करती है adventurous action of this the adventurous story of little children in the land of fairy named Tinkerbell, जिसका की नाम होता है Tinkerbell. So there was something of a fairy about our Tinker also. There was a something supernatural thing in Tinker also. She skipped about very daintily. Her feet seemed to have spring in them, and it was a joy to see her lapping about and dancing on our lawn. So narrator say there was something impressive, something supernatural in that goat also, like fairy. So she used to, what was supernatural thing in the fairy Tinkerbell? She used to jump and move about very daintily. Daintily, it means very gracefully. Her feet seemed to have spring in them. It was seeming that her feet had springs in them. उसके जो feet हैं उसमें क्या लगे हुए हैं? Springs लगे हुए हैं. It was a joy to see her lapping about and dancing on our lawn. The narrator says it was a great joy to see her dancing and jumping in our lawn. I tied a little bell on her name, or to her name. Its tinkling always told us where Tinker would be. So the narrator says I tied a little bell to her neck because the sign of the tinkling, the sound of tinkle of the bell always told us where the Tinker would be. She slept curled up at the foot of my bed. She woke me in the morning by licking my feet. She loved an early morning walk. In many ways, she was a better companion than a dog. She did not get into quarrels with cats or stray dogs. So here in this line number 55, the narrator is saying she used to sleep near my bed, near the foot of my bed, at the foot of my bed, and she used to sleep curled up, and she used to curled up, and she used to sleep near the foot of my bed. So she woke me up. She used to woke me up in the morning by licking my feet, by moistening by tongue. What is mean by licking? Moisten by tongue. She used to moisten my tongue to wake me up. She loved an early morning walk because she loved to walk in the morning. In many ways, she was far better companion than the dog. She said, the narrator said, she was a better companion than a dog. She was a better associate. Companion it means associate, साथी, एक अच्छा साथी थी dog से. because she did not get into quarrels with the cat or stray dog. She did not get into quarrels it means fight. She did not get into fights at the road with cats or stray dogs. वो other dogs और cats से झगड़ा भी नहीं करती थी, लड़ती भी नहीं थी at the street, at the road. So that is why she was a better companion than a dog, the narrator says. The only thing she chased was butterflies. In her eagerness to follow them, she would often tumble into ditches. So here the narrator is saying only thing that she liked to chase was butterfly. जो सबसे ज़्यादा वो पसंद चेस करना पसंद करती थी, she liked to follow the butterfly. In her eagerness to follow them, in her keen interest to follow the butterflies, she would often tumble into ditches. इस keen interest के कारण बहुत सी बार often she tumble it means fell, tumble it means fall into ditches. She would often tumble into ditches. कई बार वो ditches मतलब गड्ढों में भी गिर चुकी थी. Following this, it's following her keen interest of catching butterflies, chasing butterflies. Goats grow up fast. Here narrator says goat grow up fast, and unlike the Tinkerbell of a Peter Pan, our Tinker had to grow up. To begin with, she had a neat little pair of horns. So here the narrator is saying, you know very well the goats grow up very fast. Unlike the Tinkerbell of Peter Pan. Peter Pan is a story and Tinkerbell is a fairy. So unlike that fairy, the Tinker had to grow up because the goats grow very fast. So begin with her growth, she had a neat little pair of horns. जल्दी ही उसके क्या आ गए? एक neat little pair आ गए horns के, सिंग के. And Tinkerbell's appetite means भूख, also began to grow as she grew. So her appetite also began to grow. अब जैसे कि वो बड़ी हुई, उसकी भूख भी ग्रो होने लगी, and mainly in the direction of the garden. And Tinkerbell's appetite began, but it grew mainly in the direction of garden. The leaves of sweet pea and geranium were her favorites. And the author says उसकी भूख तो बढ़ गई. As she grew up, her appetite also grew up, began to grow. And but mainly her appetite began to grow mainly in which direction? किसके डायरेक्शन में ज़्यादा उसकी भूख बढ़ने लगी? उसका इंटरेस्ट क्या खाने में ज़्यादा था? The sweet pea grown in the garden and geranium which were grown in the garden. Geranium, what is mean by geranium? Geranium is a green plant with red, pink or white flowers. So she loved to, she was fond of sweet pea and geranium that were grown in author's garden. So student, the remaining part of the story I will explain in the next part of video. So till then, bye bye. Thank you. Have a nice day.